Hey rockers, how you doing today? We are in the Carnival Panorama and we are staying in an ocean view room. We want to give you a tour real quick. This one's special. Let's go take a look.
Follow me.
All right, so walking in, this particular ocean view room has a nice wide hallway, and onto your right over here is the closets. There are 4 huge closets. Over here, the standard safe on Carnival. These are really convenient. You want to make sure you use that. You can leave your wallet, all your personal items, your jewelry and stuff. We've been on 50 cruises, never had a problem. You just type in your code and it'll lock or unlock with the same code. Down here, there's some drawers.
Woo!
There's 3 drawers actually. And we kind of choose what we want to do with each one. I have all my electronics down there, my laptop, my headphones, and such. The next closet is, there's some room up there we're not even using. But there are 4 different shelves on this closet. It's perfect. Don't forget your sippy cup.
What?
Look at that. Plenty of hangers. Look at that shirt. Skull.
Luggage.
We keep our luggage down there. Just bring a small carry-on when you come on a Carnival cruise. It's perfect. There's her.
And a nice long mirror.
There's her carry-on. Her shoes are down there. So we have his and hers closets pretty much, which is amazing. And then let's go to the bed. The bed is a king. Now the king on Carnival, you can choose 2 twins or a king. So they'll configure your room however you want. If you want 2 twins separately or you want a king, they'll do that for you. Obviously, we went for the 1 king.
No couch.
And then over here, we have the TV. The TV is pretty cool here on the Panorama. It's more updated, so you can go to the menu, and if you can see here, they have on demand, so they have Aladdin, Black Widow, Transformers, and Little Mermaid. These are all free movies. Anything with a green, you can see, is free. So we're already at like 12 free movies. There are some paid ones like Barbie, Godzilla, but there's plenty for you to watch if you want to watch a movie when you get back to your room late at night or whatever. You can just watch a movie. It doesn't cost you a thing. Then here, they have the schedule for what's happening tonight. So tonight's Dine-In Movies, the Punchliner Comedy Club, etc. Food and drinks. They'll tell you what restaurants are available. And right here, you can check your photos for the day. And you gotta look at this. This is my favorite so far. Rock the boat, baby.
That's the one. That's the one for the wall. Travel wall.
All right, moving on from the TV. Over here, we have the huge vanity, big mirror over here, and it is backlit for when you're getting ready, which is really cool. A bunch of shelving up here, the phone. They have USB ports here on the Panorama, so if you need to charge anything, 2 USB, 2 regular plugs right here. And then there's another one over here, actually. So there's plenty of plugs when you're on the Panorama. They put a little bench in here for when you're getting ready. Over here is the refrigerator. It's pretty big, actually. You can fit a few drinks. We brought a 12-pack. We split it up, so there's 2 6-packs right there. In this drawer, we have a blow dryer. So if you didn't bring a blow dryer, there is one available for you.
Melissa likes those blowy devices.
Melissa likes the blowy device, so she brought her own right there. The bathroom is pretty standard in the ocean view room. We've stayed on a bunch of Carnival cruises. It's about the same size on all of them, but here you go. There is the bathroom. Pretty standard for a cruise ship. There's a trash can down there. There's extra toilet paper. They always stock the toilet paper and the Kleenex, so which is appreciated. Then over here is the shower. What's cool about their showers is you can move this up and down. This moves up and down. You just gotta twist this and press it in, and this shower head will move all the way up here. They have gel and shampoo if you didn't bring any. There's a handle here for getting in and out if you need it. And then the toilet, we don't want to look what's inside there. So one thing you should consider getting when you're going on a cruise is a foldable travel toiletry bag. Now look, it hangs right on the back of the door, and look how much room there is in there. This is my wife's, and look how much stuff she has in there. Mine's up here. I have a smaller one, but if you have jewelry, see she has her jewelry in there. She has all of her other stuff that she needs. It hangs right on the back of the door. It saves you a ton of space.
Now we're staying in room 1472 on deck 1. Yeah, you heard me correct. Deck 1. Am I gonna love it? Am I gonna hate it? You're gonna love this room because it's on a corner unit that ends up giving you 2 windows, okay? Look at this. Window 1, such a beautiful view if you're a person that loves the water like I do. And window 2, stop it. It's super dreamy. This room does not have that pull-out couch, but it does have a nice work area here. It's got table with 2 chairs. You can move the table and have dinner or breakfast across from each other with a beautiful window view on each side of you. Stop. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love it.
Now one thing I want to point out is the bed in this room doesn't have any plugs on the side of the bed. It does have the light switch here, so you can turn all the lights on or off when you're in bed. But I think they made up for it over there on the vanity with all the different plugs, which is cool. So just keep that in mind. But we've loved this room so far, for sure.
Hey, we hope you love the room tour here on the Carnival Panorama. Now, the ocean view is a great choice if you want to save some money, have some beautiful views. We love it. We've been having a great time. If you love everything cruising, make sure to like and subscribe. We'd love for you to join the family. We are doing a group cruise next April 2025 from Long Beach on the Carnival Firenze. We'd love for you to be there. Just go to rockintheboat.club. It'll give you all the information.
All right.
But remember to always keep rocking the boat. See you next time.